want to show you guys the wheel kit I have here. My buddy Vince from Pro and Sons Custom Cuts made these brackets here. I need to get something added to here to stop it from moving, but I temporarily did this. But this is basically just a shaft and some wheelbarrow wheels that I picked up. So you just do this, you lift the ski, drop it right there, and then the bike is the ski's off the ground, right? You can drive it into a trailer, out of a trailer. It's in neutral now. I can just push it into the garage like this. Pretty easy. It's a sweet setup. It's a lot cheaper than the setup from Timbersled. Yeah, I like it. Hit me up and maybe I'll post a link in the description of his website for those brackets. Alright guys, I'm gonna do the oil change now and get the stuff ready.